Hello, children. Hope you all are safe and good. Let's start our class with small prayer. Join your hands, close your eyes. Loving God, fill us this day with the understanding of mind to be fully awake to your presence in our online class. Amen. Yes, children. So, last class we started with division. So, what is division? So, division is sharing equally. So, what does this division means? Sharing equally or making equal groups. Making equal groups. So, we are going to share everything equally. Division means sharing equally. And the symbol for division is, this is the symbol for division. And we saw division is repeated subtraction. Okay. Yes. Then we saw terms. What are the terms in division? So what are the terms in division? So that is dividend, divisor and quotient. So what is dividend? The number to be divided is dividend, and the number by which to divide is divisor, and the answer we get is quotient. Okay. Yes. So now we are going to do exercise 5.2, page number 75. Take your textbook, exercise 5.2, page number 75. Okay. Yes. Find out how many children will get the balls. What is that? We are going to find out how many children will get the balls. Okay. So here are the balls. So how many balls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 balls are there. How many balls are there? 24 balls are there. So the first question is, each child gets 6 balls. Each child get 6 balls. Okay. So there are totally how many balls are there? Totally 24 balls are there. And each child will get 6 balls. So we are going to find the number of children. The number of children. How many children will get 6 balls we are going to find. Okay. So that is 24 ball in each group of 6. So there are totally how many balls? 24 balls, and one child will get how many ball? 6 ball, and we are going to find the group of children. Okay. Yes, that is 24 divided by 6. 24 is total number of balls, and 6 is each child will get how many balls? 6 ball. That is 24 is the dividend and 6 is the divisor, and we are going to find the quotient. Okay. The answer we get is called as quotient. Okay. So 6 tables, 24, how many times? So you all know 6 tables, right? Shall we say 6 tables now? Yes. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. We are going to stop till 24. 6 fours are 24. 6, how many times 24? 6 fours are 24. So there are 4 groups. There are 4 groups. That is 4 children. 4 children will get 6 balls. So one children will get 6 balls. Each will get 6. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 is 24. Okay. So one children will get how many balls? One child will get how many ball? 4 ball. Yes. Yes. The next question is, each child get 4 balls. Each child will get 4 balls. Here we saw 6 balls. Now each child will get how many ball? 4 ball. That is 24 ball is equal groups of 4. That is 24 divided by 4. Now what table we have to tell? Which table we have to tell? That is 4 tables. That is 4 tables. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6 are 24, 4 6 are 24. That is 4 tables, how many times 24? 4 6 are 24. So 6 groups, that is 6 children are there. 6 children are there. Each child will get 4 balls. Each child will get 4 balls. Okay. The next one is each child gets 3 balls. Each child get how many balls? 3 balls. That is 24 ball in equal groups of 3. How many children we are going to find out? That is 24 divided by 3. So we are going to tell 3 tables. We are going to stop with 24. Okay. Shall we say 3 tables now? Yes. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 six are 18. 3 sevens are 21. 3 eights are 24. 3 eights are 24. 3 tables. How many times 24? 8 times. 3 tables, 8 times 24. So there are 8 groups. 8 children will get 3 balls each. 8 children will get 3 balls each. One children will get how many balls? One children will get how many balls? That is 8 balls. So here we are dividing each group. Okay, yes, we are going to share equally. Division is nothing but sharing equally. Okay, yes. So take page number 76, page number 76, exercise 5.3. Exercise 5.3. So you all know what is quotient, what is dividend, what is divisor, right? So we are going to complete the table. So they have given the question here. We are going to separate which is dividend, which is divisor, and which is quotient. Very easy, right? You all know which is dividend, which is divisor, and which is quotient. So what is dividend? The number we are dividing is dividend. The number by which we are dividing is divisor, and the answer we are getting is quotient. The first question is 34 divided by 2 is equal to 17. Here 34 is the number we are dividing. So that is the dividend. And by which we are dividing? By 2 we are dividing. So that is the divisor. And what is the answer we are getting? Is 17. That is the quotient. Okay. Next, 45 divided by 15 is equal to 3. Here 45 is the dividend, 15 is the divisor, and 3 is the quotient. Okay, yes. Next sum, 36 divided by 9 is equal to 4. Here 36 is the number we are dividing, so this is called as dividend, and 9, by 9 only we are dividing, so 9 is the divisor, and the answer we are getting is 4, that is the quotient. Okay, yes, I think you would have understood. So next two sum, fourth and fifth sum, you do it as homework. Okay, yes. Shall we move on to the B sum? Write the divisor question, write the division question using the given information. So we are going to write the question. They have given the dividend, they have given the divisor, they have given the quotient, and we are going to write the question. Okay, always dividend will come first, next divisor, and the answer will be coming, that is quotient will come the last. Okay, see, the first one they have done for you, that is 32 is the dividend, 8 is the divisor, and 4 is the quotient. That is 32 divided by 8 is equal to 4. Okay, like that we will do for the next sum. That is 32 divided by 4 is 8. Okay, 32 divided by 4 is 8. Okay, The next one is 66 divided by 3 is equal to 22. Okay, the next one is 91 divided by 13 is equal to 7. Always dividend will come first, next followed by division symbol, next divisor, then equal to symbol, after that quotient. Okay, yes. See the next sum, see sum. Stella used all the question buckets to paint the answered rainbow. Color the question buckets to match the color of the answer rainbow. Okay, so you all know rainbow, right? So rainbow, what are the colors in rainbow? Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Okay, so each color is having one number, 9, 4, 5, 3, 7, 8, 1. Okay, so we are going to find which number is for which color. Okay, yes, sorry, which bucket is for which color. So take the first bucket, 48 divided by 8. 48 divided by 8. So 8 tables, how many times 45, 48? 8, 6 are 48. What is that? 8, 6 are 48. So where is 6 here? Here 6 is here. 6 is which color? Red color. So we are going to paint this bucket in red color. Okay, yes. Next, this is 21 divided by 7. So 7 tables, 21 how many times? 7, 3s are 21. So what is this? 3. 3 is in which color? Green color. So they have painted in green color. Okay, the next one is 32 divided by 4. 32 divided by 4. So 32, 4 tables 32 how many times? 8 times. 8 times. So 8 is what color? Orange. So you are going to color it orange. Orange. Okay. Yes. Next is this bucket. 27 divided by 3. 27 divided by 3. So 3 tables 27 how many times? 3 9s are 27. 3 9s are 27. So 9 is here. Where is 9 here? Here. So what color it is? It is violet. It is violet. You are going to color it violet. Okay. The next one is 45 divided by 9. 45 divided by 9. 9 tables 45 how many times? 9 5s are 45. So the answer is 5. So where is 5 here? Here is 5. What color is that? Blue color. So you're going to color it as blue. Okay. Next one is 20 divided by 5. What is 20 divided by 5? 5 tables 20 how many times? 5 4s are 20. So here 4 is here. What color it is? Indigo. Indigo. Okay. Yes. The next one is 42 divided by 6. What is 42 divided by 6? It is, what is that? It is 7 times. 6 tables, how many times 42? It is 7 times. 6 sevens are 42. So what color it is? Yellow. Yellow. So you are going to color it in yellow color. Okay. So this is how you are going to do. Okay. Yes. So now next is division as repeated subtraction. So I already told division is nothing but repeated subtraction. Okay, yes. Now we'll do exercise 5.4. Okay, yes. Listen to me. We are going to divide. That is 16. We are going to divide. Okay, yes. See the question. 16 they have divided 8 times. How many times they have divided? First 16 minus 8 is 8. Again they are subtracting 8. Okay, so the answer is 0. How many times they have used 8? 1 time and 2 times. So the answer is 2. 16 divided by 8 is 2. Okay, Next is 18 minus 6 is 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. So how many times you have used 6? 1, 2, 3. So 18 divided by 6 is 3. Okay. Next one is 40 minus 10 is 30. 30 minus 10 is 20. 20 minus 10 is 10. 10 minus 10 is 0. So how many times they have used 10? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the 40 divided by 10 is 4. Okay, yes. Now we'll do B sum. Exercise 5.4 B sum. Okay, so that is 24 divided by 6. We are going to do repeated subtraction. First step is 24 minus 6. What is 24 minus 6? Yes, we'll do the subtraction. We cannot subtract 4 minus 6, so we are going to borrow. Okay, this will become 14. What is 14 minus 6? It is 8, right? 8. 8 minus 6. So 8, 1 is there. Okay, so again we are going to subtract from 6 till 0. We are going to subtract. 18 minus 6 is 8, minus 6 is 2, and 1 will come. Okay, again we are going to subtract with 6. 12 minus 6 is again 6. Okay, again we are going to subtract with 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. Till 0 we have subtracted. So now how many times we have used 6? 1 time, 2 time, 3 times, again 4 times. So the answer is 24 divided by 6 is 4. 24 divided by 6 is 4. Okay, so one more sum we will do. 48 divided by 6. So 48 we are going to subtract. Keep on subtracting with 6. Right? 48 minus 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. This 4 will come as such. Again we are going to subtract with 6. So we cannot subtract. So borrow. This will become 3 and this will become 12. 12 minus 6 is 6 and 3. Okay. Next again we are going to subtract with 6 minus 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. This 3 will come down. Again we are going to subtract with 6. 0 minus 6 is not possible. So what is we are going to do? Borrow. 3 will become 2 and this 0 will become 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. This 2 will come as such. Again we are going to subtract with 6. Okay. 4 minus 6 can we do? No. Again borrow. This will become 1 and this will become 14. Then 14 minus, what is 14 minus 6? It is 8 and this 1 will come as such. Okay. Again minus 6. 8 minus 6 is what? 2 and this 1 will come as such. Again subtract with 6. Okay. What is 12 minus 6 is? 6. Again we are going to subtract with 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. So till 0 we are going to stop. Now how many times we have used 6? 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, 8 times. So the answer is 48 divided by 6 is 8. 48 divided by 6 is 8. This is how you will do division by repeated subtraction. Okay. Yes, you can try this first sum as homework. First sum as homework. Yes, I have done the second sum and fourth sum. You can do first sum, third sum and fifth sum as homework. Okay. Yes. Okay, next is answer the following. How many 3's are there in 18? So we are going to divide 18 divided by 3 is what? 18 divided by 3 is 6. Okay, the next, how many 8's are there in 72? 72 divided by 8. The next one is 42. How many 7's are there in 42? 42 divided by 7. So you all going to learn the tables and find the answer. Please learn the tables, 8 tables, 7 tables, 6 tables, 9 tables. Everybody should be thorough. Okay, like that you are going to do. How many times can 9 be subtracted from 36? Okay, same, 36 divided by 9, we will get the answer. Okay, how many times can 6 be subtracted from 30? 30 divided by 6 is equal to, what is the answer? So you are all going to find this answer and tell me. Okay, yes. Okay children, take care. Thank you. Bye.